Failure, a word most people fear, avoid, and even hide from. But what if I told you that failure is not the opposite of success? It is the foundation of it. Every success story you have ever admired was once a story of repeated failure, only with a different ending. Hello, friends. I am Dr. Pravin V, counselor and a trainer. Today, let's talk about one of the most powerful eight misunderstood teachers in life, failure. A teacher that does not speak but shows, does not comfort but corrects, does not flatter but transforms. Yes, the fear of failure. Most of us are taught from childhood that failure is something to be ashamed of. A bad grade, a rejected proposal, a lost opportunity, and instantly we feel defeated. But failure is not your enemy. It is your most honest mentor. It does not care about your ego. It cares about your evolution. It does not sugarcoat lessons. It gives them raw, real, and unforgettable. When we avoid a failure, we also avoid growth because success does not teach resilience. Failure does. What is the hidden gift inside the failure? If I ask the questions to you, every time you fail, life hands you a mirror to reflect, relearn, and rebuild. Failure whisper, you tried, you dared, now try better. Behind every innovation, invention, or achievement lies a series of attempts that didn't work until one did. Think of Thomas Edison. He failed over 10,000 times before inventing the light bulb. When someone asks, how did you keep going after so many failures? He smiled and said, I didn't fail 10,000 times. I just found 10,000 ways that won't work. That's not failure. That's the wisdom born from persistence. Story of the failure. Yes, I will share the story of the failure that saved the world. Let me tell you a story. Before becoming one of the greatest basketball legends, Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. Instead of the giving up, he used that pain as his fuel. He said, I have missed more than 9,000 shots. I have lost almost 300 games. 26 times I have been trusted to take the game winning shot and I missed. I have failed over and over again in my life, and that is the my way why I succeed. Failure didn't defeat him, it disciplined him. Why failure is better teacher than success? Is there any reason? Success often makes us comfortable. Failure makes us curious. Success gives us applause, failure gives us awareness. Success builds pride, failure builds character. In success, we celebrate, but in failure, we evolve. That's why the world's most successful people do not fear failure. They use it as a stepping stone. Then, how to learn from failure? What are the right way? Here are the some right way that can transform failure into a teacher. Pause and reflect. Don't rush to blame yourself. Ask, what did this teach me? Detach emotionally. Don't take failure personally. See it as a feedback. Try again smarter. Failure only wins when you stop trying. Keep a growth mindset. Believe that skills, knowledge, and confidence are built over time. Appreciate the process. Every failure is a proof that you are moving, learning, and growing. Remember, friends, failure does not mean the end of your story. It is just a chapter where the hero learns, rebuilds, and rises stronger. Those who never fail, never tried anything new, and those who embrace failure eventually master success. So the next time it knocks you down, don't ask why me. Ask what is life trying to teach me through this? Because the moment you start learning from failure, you stop losing. So, my friend, don't run from failure. Listen to it, learn from it, and let it shape you into someone wiser, stronger, and unstoppable. This is Dr. Pravin V, reminding you failures are not your full stop, they are your commas guiding you to the next beautiful sentence of your life. Think forward, grow stronger, live positive.